Hello, and welcome to LinkedPal's tutorial on how to find and save leads. In this tutorial, we'll go over how you can find new leads for your business and save them to a list. Let's get started by going over to the Find Leads tab in the navigation menu. Search for leads by entering keywords, titles, and locations. Click Find Leads to view your matches. Select leads and click Save to add them to a list. You can create a new list or add leads you've found to an existing list. You can go to Segmentation and Lists under the My Leads menu to view or edit your lists. Click each lead's profile to see more information. In the lead profile page, you can view an AI-generated summary of the lead, lists that this lead belongs to, as well as generated messages and campaigns for this lead. The All Leads page is a list that contains all your leads, regardless of separate lists you've put them into. Press the Manage Leads button to remove or add leads to a list. Simply select or unselect leads to add or remove them. Let's create a new list, but instead of finding new leads, let's add an existing lead to this list. We'll call this list Decision Makers-SAS. Click the Manage Leads button to see and select leads you wish to add to a new list.